Cooking time. Good afternoon, children. What Grandma doing now? Simple cooking. Wild caught salmon, wild caught cod. All it's organic. Green beans, I meant. This is just for representation. Alpha broccoli, kale, on the top, just to impress you. You don't cook alpha broccoli and kale because they are thermic viable, what means losing all benefits like parsley and other herbs. But anyway, this is just for representation, like repeating already. Cover with extra olive, virgin, most important, it's a virgin. Grandma too. Garlic, oregano, rosemary, Celtic salt in this bottle of Himalayan salt. Just for representation, I will actually eat this fresh when it's done. Green beans, you see garlic, sprinkle with the olive oil, lemon for flavor, like a lemon zest. No benefits when you're cooking lemon because vitamin C, and birds knows that losing it like grandma with these retainers, losing all benefits. I will cover, and on 375, I will steam it. This is delicious. Trust me, children. Grandma knows how to cook from scratch. Maybe I forget something, but I'm sure in the end I will add extra parsley, extra vitamin C, and like I said, alpha broccoli and kale. This is the best dish for you guys who respect your body, mind, and soul, and taking responsibility of your health. And I will call this mindfulness. Ciao tutti, stay safe and awake. 9 o'clock going bed if you want to function properly.